Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the ASUS ROG Phone 6D. So at the start, when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth device, I'm really starting from the simplest way: just switch it off and switch it on the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that, you can try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it? You will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to click the button for 3 times, for example. Now the modern gadget's starting in the power mode, so you have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode but it's still not visible on your device, on your ASUS, just go to the settings, choose system and slide down to the reset options. Oh, sorry, not this one. Now I consider I have a Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so just tap on it and click reset settings. Remember, you will lose your passwords to Wi-Fi, etc. Okay, now just tap on the reset settings again and then look for your device on the Bluetooth list again. After that, you can also try to update your system. You can find the system update in the system, in the settings. So just open the system, check that you have an update. If yes, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your phone and your Bluetooth device on other Bluetooth gadget, like a laptop, to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.